Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Facebook cover in Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So let's click on it. So as you can see, the Adobe Express app is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on the search all templates. So let's click on the search all templates. And after clicking on this, we have to search for the Facebook cover. So I'm going to write the Facebook cover here. And then simply we have to click on the search and it will be searched. So as you can see, now it's searched. Now you have to choose that which type of design you want to use. For example, as you can see, a lot of designs are here. You have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, I am going to choose, let's see which one is suitable. For example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the remix this template. So we have to click on the remix this template. So as you can see, now it's open. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, has the con mesh. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write this a fee and maze, and then let's click on the right and the name will be changed here. As you can see, if you want to change the edit the text, you can also do that. You have to double click on the text and the text will be in editing mode. If you want to replace the shape, you can also do that. You can do all the settings here. If you want to change the color and change the shape, text, everything, each and everything, you can change each and everything. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a Facebook cover in Adobe Express app. It's very easy to understand and very easy to use. So see you guys in the next video.